Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll teach you how to build Huggy Wuggy out of Legos. This build is, as a matter of fact, quite simple and easy to build, so it won't take much time for you to look at the tutorial. Anyways, just want to let you know, this build idea was recommended to me by Styler Builds. So, if you're watching the Styler Builds, and you really need this tutorial, I would recommend staying. Anyways, let's get right into the time lapse. Anyways, now that that's finished, let's assemble Huggy Wuggy. First, we take his body and his head, and we connect it. Then, this piece with this kind of joint goes on the bottom, because it's the leg. And the limb with this kind of joint goes on the top, making it the hand. So let's just put that right here and there. And there you go. Huggy Wuggy. Styler Builds. Is this a pretty good build? Because I think I nailed it. If you want to see more Poppy Playtime, then comment down below what you want me to build. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe if you really like my videos. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now!